Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to show you how to complete alignment from computer with this printer. You need to make sure the printer and laptop you want to use are connected together via wireless network or Wi-Fi direct. In this case, the printer and laptop are connected together via a Wi-Fi network. Go to the Start, go to the Settings, select Printers and Scanners, add a device. After you added the device, you need to look from the list Canon TS3700 series. Select on it. So once you select the printer, you go to Printing Preferences, then select Maintenance. Then you select on the maintenance, select specific maintenance function you want to do. Print head alignment. Select Print head alignment. Once you select on it, then you select Start. So it's printing head alignment. Then take the paper printed out, put it on the glass scanner face down, make sure it starts from this side. Close the cover. Then select Copy Color or Copy Black. So it's going to scan the document. This light will be highlighting. Once it's done, the light will stop highlighting. The light is now steady, so you discard the paper. So this is how to align the printer from computer. I hope this helped you. Please, while you are here, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.